Here we're going to show you how to mass edit owners on Salesforce. So you can search the different object that you want. For this we'll use leads as an example. That'll open up the different leads that you have. I'll just open it to all open leads. Now if you do want to change the owners of certain ones, you can search and just click on each box there, and then in the top right hand corner down there you'll search for change owner. Now this is quite simple. You've got 3 records. You just search the user that you want it to be owned to, so you could change it, for example, there to John Smith. That's one way you can do it quite simply. Another way to do it is to go into setup, and then you go and search in the quick find box for mass transfer of records. That's underneath data. If you click on that, it'll come up here. You can absolutely change everything, the entire ownership of whichever object you wanted to. So sticking with transferring of leads, you would just transfer from one user. Actually click on the little icon, wait for that to load. You'll see there from John Smith, and then you'll open it to another. Click on the little icon, search the user, and then you can change it based on criteria. If you wanted to just transfer everything, you would just click find. It'll come up with all of them. You can again search for the different ones and click them, or you could just click everything and transfer over. Once that's done, the 4 leads have been transferred, and that's as simple